Life 96.5 wherever you go.
My crew works wrong.
Download our free app and listen on your phone.
Before I spoke a word, you were singing over me. You have been so good to me. Before I took a breath, you breathed your life in me. You have been so kind. Love of God, fight still I'm found me. Couldn't earn, and I don't deserve it. Still you give yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. When I was your fault, still your love. You have been so, so good to me. When I felt no worth, you paid it all for me. I wanna feel again. So good to be at me. And oh, the overwhelming, never-ending, reckless love of God. Leave the 99 moves, send me something, and I don't deserve it. Still, now I'm walking on this water, made with Johnny Walker Black. Reckless love of God. No shadow, mountain I'm climbing, coming after me. Kick down, lie you won't tear down. I'm twisting out. I know you won't lay down. Coming after me. There's no wall you won't kick down. Lie you won't coming after me. Overwhelming, reckless love of God. Oh, it chases me down, fights till I'm found. Leaves the 99, and I couldn't earn it. I don't deserve it. Still, you give yourself away. Oh, the overwhelming, never.
If Life 96.5 has encouraged you, pass it on to tune in where they can find encouragement from Jesus.
To the cross, only then I understood that even in the ruthless pain, there's a river running through, and every bend along the way brought me closer to you. I will build an altar here, so I don't forget the place where